Hello, welcome back to Sports Science Excel. This is episode 5, and in this episode, we're going to talk about alignment, okay? So, just to start off, I'm going to select this little arrow or box in this corner. It's going to pull up alignment, okay? And this is something that you can use if you want to add a little bit, a little bit of style and to your whatever document it is that you're creating. And for this example, I'm going to select both these cells. This just says day 1. This says squat, okay? And I'm going to come up and select this. And let's say I want to change the orientation of the text within the cell. I can manually do that here and select OK. Or let's just get these widened. Or if I didn't want to have to go do it manually and select the degree, the angle that I want, I could, let's get this back to normal. Or I'll highlight those cells and then see this. I can select this drop down and I can select for the exact same thing I just did. I'll just select angle counterclockwise. Check that. And now my text within those cells are angled just to give it a little, a little style with what I got going on, okay? So now I want to show you the indent alignment. So I'm just going to start by merging these. And let's say I didn't want all this white space, right? I wanted the words to be spaced out evenly to give it just a cleaner look. So I'm going to select that same corner box, and in this drop down, I'm going to select distributed, okay? Select OK. You can see now how it has spread out through the entire horizontal space. Now if I want, I think we can clean that up a little bit and have a little bit of space on the sides, bring those words a little bit closer. So I can then come to indent. Let's just do 2. You can see how it brings it off the edge a little bit. There we go. Yep. So that just helps, manage spacing within a cell. There you go. See how it looks a lot better than it did before when the words were really close together. That way you don't have to just manually go in and, hit the space bar 5 times between each word to make sure that your spacing looks good within a cell. You can do something similar vertically. So you can select distributed and indent to adjust it vertically if you had a large vertical, a large row height. Then you can manage the same indent and orientation. Sometimes you can select the orientation to be straight up and straight down, as you see here. There's all kinds of things that you can do with the alignment of the text within a cell. I just wanted to show you a few things that I find useful, and I hope you learned something from that today. And if you didn't get a chance to check out Wrap Text and Shrink to Fit, then check out episode 4, as well as Merge and Unmerge Cells. Check out episode 3. Think that there's some good things to be learned in those episodes. And as for the next episode, we are going to talk about column width and row height and how to adjust those to fit our needs, okay? So I hope you learned something today. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.